So this next item, it was $3 before, but it is $1.50, and it is dun, 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 dun. So this is the Family Guard. This is a disinfectant spray. Kills 99. Hold on, child. 99.9% of germs and viruses, and they have a few different ones. So, because I had to go to the register and ask the guy, isn't these $1.50? And he said they $3, probably the skinnier can, but he rung it up, is $1.50. So check this out. When I put these bifocals on, you know it's finna go down, don't you? You know it's finna go down. So all of these are $1.50, right? So they have different ones. This is the citrus, the orange, and then this one is a fresh scent. It just says fresh. $1.50. This is really, really good because this is a S.C. Johnson. If that matters to you. Hey, now another item that I absolutely love at Dollar Tree is these scented oil refills. You get 3 of these for $3.25. Yes, 3 of these for $3.25, and they are compatible with the one and only Airwick. All right, so they have pine, they have twilight moon, and then they also have cinnamon. Love these, really, really good. Then they also have wild lavender and also cotton linen. Let me tell you something. This next brand, oh my goodness, absolutely love it at Dollar Tree. It is a steal deal like Holyfield for $1.25, and it is so amazing. Check this out. All right, so Dollar Tree ain't playing with the folks that be stealing. Dollar Tree has so many amazing Marie Claire contour sticks, like this one right here. This is really gorgeous, warm brown. I absolutely love Marie Claire. This is $1.25. Honey, the whole thing is mainly Marie Claire. Now, they also have the Marie Claire. This is the eyebrow and hair powder, medium to dark. Love this, $1.25. This is a matte finish. They also have the cherry oil infused tinted lip oil. They also have the felt tip eyeliner. Oh, so good. And right now what I have on my brows is the Marie Claire. This is the dual-ended brow pencil. When I tell you good, just take a look at my eyebrows, honey. You see the brows? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You see the way they look? This is Marie Claire, okay? Do brow pencil, okay? $1.25. Now, another item that they have at Dollar Tree when it comes to the Marie Claire is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner Jet Black. They also have the Eyelash Brow Serum. Okay, and then they also have the liquid blush, the dusty, not musty, but dusty liquid blush. And this is Dusty Pink, $1.25. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has when it comes to the Marie Claire is this satin powder flawless finish. This is a soft matte finish, long wearing formula. Oh my goodness, they have so many new items, honey. Now, they also have the Marie Claire highlighter, eyeshadow, contour. Now, they have another palette like this, but the other palette is like a highlighter. And I have the other palette. I'm going to show you guys. But this is so good. They have a highlighter for eyeshadows and a contour, $1.25. Somebody looking for Tony, honey. This is the next contour palette, and this is good. This is the one that I have for $1.25. You definitely can't beat that. My loves, when the last time you've been to Dollar Tree? Okay, I'm asking for myself, Listen, Dollar Tree has some amazing items. Did you guys see the bath confetti? All right, this is bath confetti. Now, they have a few different things that goes with this. Now, this bath confetti is $1.25. They also have the bath soak. Okay, now this is apple scented, my love. So if you're a person that loves apple scented things, this is definitely for you. Now, they also have the Bath Fizzer apple scented as well, $1.25. How cute is this? 3-in-1. Hey, my loves. Have you guys seen this? Just let me know. Did you see this? This is the hair styling cream, okay? Now, this helps moisturize hair for smooth styling, for shinier looking, and frizz-free curls. Honey, get into it. Dollar Tree said, we ain't playing with ya. Now, they also have another item that goes with this, which is the Fly Away Styling Cream. So if your hair is flying every which way, honey, you may want to get one of these, all right? $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have this hair milk, the Hydrate and Leave-In Conditioner, $1.25. You know, when it comes to Dollar Tree, you know, hair products, me personally, if it's a name brand that they have here, I would do. Like, they had Curl, Sisters or something like that, which was really, really good. I did that. It was absolutely amazing. If it's not a name brand, I may not be doing it, okay? That's just my opinion, okay? All right, let's move on, shall we? Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Belleville, New Jersey. So first up, they have, now, when it comes down to wipes, Dollar Tree is always carrying multiple thing of wipes. So they have the Bio Pure antibacterial hand wipes. This has honey apple. They also have the cozy vanilla, and you get 40 wipes for $1.25. That is definitely a steal deal. They also have the cherry pie. What I absolutely love about this is the antibacterial hand wipe. You get what I'm saying? Now, they also have the sweet harvest as well. This is so good. Kills 99.9 of germs. Right, this next item, I thought that it was $5. This is $1.25, and it is the one and only the feminine wash. Okay, now this one is the feminine moisturizer from Be Pure. This has coconut oil and jojoba oil here, and this is a moisturizer, but they have much more. Where that came from, check this out. So Dollar Tree has the feminine body wash. pH balance, helps to control odor. We just seen this one, a moisturizer. They also have the feminine moisturizer daily care, water-based gel, hyaluronic acid, external feminine moisturizer, $1.25. Ciao. If you want to make bath time fun with your little ones, Dollar Tree definitely has this bubble bath. Okay, this is Disney Princess, the Cherry Blossom. They also have Stitch. They also have Spider-Man. Now, Stitch is the Mango Madness, and Spider-Man is the Berry Blast scented. These are $1.25. They also have Bluey in a Place to Be. All right, Bluey is the MC. This is $1.25. Now, you guys know it's finna get cold. Dollar Tree definitely, at least up north. Dollar Tree has the Hot Hands toe warmers. These are $1.25. Ultra Thin, ready to use, activation, safe natural heat, and it lasts for 8 hours of heat. Another name brand item that Dollar Tree has is the Onyx Bathhouse Beach Vacay Foam and Body Scrub Daiquiri with coconut oil. This is $1.25. They also have another scent. This is the Strawberry Kiwi Apple with Avocado, $1.25. Now, another amazing item Dollar Tree has is the Skintimate Spa headbands. These are great for if you just wash your hair and you don't want the water to be dripping down your face. These are really amazing. And they come in about 3 different colors. They have the blue, the black, and also the pink, $1.25. That's a steal deal. Now, Dollar Tree also had the Invisible Bobble. Now, these are name brand and they are $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the original. They also have gentle hair, spiral fine hair, also slim hair. I absolutely love this because they go according to your hair. If you have, I don't know what original hair means, my loves, but if you have fine hair, they have the one for fine hair, and then they also have the one for slim hair. Now, this is another amazing find is the Beauty and Planet. They sell this at Target, you know, but the people, either they don't know that this is like pretty much at Target or they just don't care, right? Because Dollar Tree definitely has this. This is the conditioner, and it is $1.25 at Target. You know how much they want for this at Target? Like $9, $9 to $10. Yes, honey. Another amazing item at Dollar Tree that I thought was like so amazing is these collapsible paintbrush washers over here. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the blue, the green, and also the pink. Now, Dollar Tree has also the Guru Nada Basics Pro Formula. I remember they brought this in like last year, and then I haven't seen it in a while, and then they brought it back. Now, this had went viral on social media, the mouthwash, but I did purchase the Guru Nada whitening gel pen. To me, it's pretty good. You know, I brush every day. You get what I'm saying? I brush every day, but I did use this a few times, and it was pretty good to me. $1.25, not bad at all. They sell everything. Look, they even have the interdental brushes. This is $1.25. Now, if you guys are looking for like containers for at Dollar Tree, they definitely has them. I absolutely love these. They have like the Christmas theme going on with them. Whatever your fancy little heart desires, they definitely have it. This kind of put me in the mind of a mailbox, right? Like, this is so cute. It's Santa mail special delivery, and look at the little thing. Look at the little hello. Now, they have different ones, and it also put me in the mind of those cookies. You remember those cookies your grandmama used to get, and she would have those cookies on the freezer for a while, or turn that tin foil you can into something like a storage container. Honey, if you can't relate, I don't know what to say, honey. Now, they have different ones. They have the smaller ones over here. These are really cool cookies for Santa. Love this. Do you guys still leave the cookies and the milk out for Santa, like for your children? Or you don't do that no more? Let me know in the comment section. $1.50. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has that I absolutely love is these ball garlands. These are $7. Look how fancy they are. I mean, honey, get into it and do it. The gold and the silver, really cool. They also have the green and the red, the blue and the silver. Love this. These are so nice. I heard you was looking for Christmas items, right? Don't worry, I got it. Alright, so this Dollar Tree in Bellevue, New Jersey, they have the stockings already, the Christmas stockings out. These are $1.50. Love these. Honey, get into that gold one. You get what I'm saying, girls? And also the black and white. Oh, I loves this. This is cute. You know, this put me in the mind of like a sweater or something. You know, that flannel. Okay, child. Dollar Tree ain't playing. Coming through with the 1s and 2s. That's all I gotta say. Spider-Man stocking, Dollar Tree still has it. Let me tell you something. I still have my children's stockings from last year. Oh my goodness. Now, they also have the stockings with the initials on them. Like, this stocking has B. They also have M. And that pretty looks about all, folks. This next item, listen, you a pop drinker. I'm not trying to influence you, honey, but this drink is so good. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Now, if you're a person that don't like, a lot of sugar and stuff, like, honey, this part not for you, my love. So, well, Bills, honey, they be wildin', okay? Strawberry cream, orange cream, love this. They also have this one, the bubble tea. My youngest son, Javon, he loves this. I don't really care for the bubble tea, and my youngest daughter, Amani, they like this, but I really don't care for it. My youngest daughter, she really likes the bubble tea, the brown sugar. Oh my goodness, honey, that's like game. Okay, game on. Then they also have the bubble tea, the pop and boba. Now this one I really don't care for. They also have like a berry one. The berry one I really like. These are $1.25, really good. If you guys are looking for a quick tea, 4 servings, this is the masala instant chai tea latte. Just add hot water, $1.25. If you guys are looking for a viral cleaning find, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, they brought these bags. This is the Oxidol Bold Scents Lavender and Lilac. They also have the lemongrass and sage. And if you guys are looking for a multi-purpose cleaner that don't have that many chemicals in there, hardly anything, eco-friendly, it would definitely be the awesome, okay, multi-purpose cleaner and deodorizer. Eco-friendly, non-toxic, biodegradable, environmentally safe, $1.25. Now, my loves, if you guys are looking for floral, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. Okay, my name is Zena. I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat, all right? Now, they have the cedar picks. You get 5 of these for $1.75, I believe. Yeah, $1.75. Now, they also have the poinsettias over here. Love this. How freaking cute is this? This is so amazing. They also have the ornaments over here. You get 15 of these for $1.25. Whatever your big heart desire. When it comes to the Christmas ornaments, Dollar Tree got you covered, honey. Look at this. They have the tree topper. Really nice. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine definitely was the Marie Claire. Oh my goodness, they just was Marie clearing it out, and then also the Christmas, the stocking stuffers, those was really cute as well. Loved it. And with that being said, let us know in the comment section what are some of the items that you guys recently purchased, and what are some of the items that you are on the lookout for. Until next time.